Declan, it looks like the feel-good factor continued from the weekend.
Yeah, I think it was. I mean, obviously getting called up for the first team was obviously a great honour. But I mean, I was here at the start of the week and I wanted to come back and play. So at the end of the day, whenever I can put on that Welsh jersey, I'm going to do it. So when I had the opportunity to come back, I just wanted to play.
And how pleased were you with the performances tonight? A really good start.
Yeah, it's a great performance, a great start. I mean, in the campaign, you do need to get off to a good start. And I mean, to get the win here tonight just puts us in a good place now for the next couple of games that we'll have in the next few weeks, I suppose.
Because you want to play championship football, European championship football. It's competitive football for you.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, international football is great. But I mean, to be doing it with the first team and coming back down here, it's brilliant. Like I said, I just wanted to play tonight, and luckily I did. And I thought the team did really well, and hopefully we can keep pushing on now for the next couple of games.
2 goals to Tom O'Sullivan.
Oh, superb. I mean, the first one, he sort of come off his head, and to be honest, Tommy doesn't really head the ball that much, so I think he's just, put his head on it, and it's a great finish. But the second one, that's it. That's superb volley. Fair play to him, and I'm very pleased for him. He's a good mate of mine as well, so I'll pat him on the back for that one.
And actually a good night for returning Cardiff players, because Josh Yorworth got the third as well.
Yeah, exactly. He's another teammate as well. He's obviously been with me through the academy at Cardiff for the last couple of years as well, so well done to him as well.
How much were the players aware that they wanted to keep the momentum from what the seniors did on Saturday?
Well, yeah, exactly. Obviously the first team did really well. Obviously I was there next. I was there too, lucky enough to experience it. But for us to get the win here tonight, it's all good. And
this group, I mean, with the likes of Harry Wilson on the bench, how well can he do in this group, do you think?
Well, we've got a good group of lads. I mean, the amount of players who they're playing up in, high leagues, League One, Championship football, is superb. And for us to have people like that on the bench, for him to come on as well, was really good. So I mean, for us to have them sort of players, it's just going to be good for us.
What about yourself? Now you're on loan at Barnsley, enjoying that?
Yeah, it's been good. I mean, I've played the last 2 or 3 games now and I've done quite well. So like I said, I just want to keep doing well. Hopefully we can try and get up higher up in the table, I suppose.
And obviously your future is still with Cardiff City. What have they said to you?
Well, I mean, it's just a case of me playing at the moment, really, and I wasn't playing at Cardiff, so really it was just for me to get out until the end of the season and try and get some games.
Yeah, and I know that they monitor what you're doing as well.
Well, yeah, I think so. I mean, I think I'm in the future plans. And I'm still young. I still got a lot of time, really. So, we'll just have to wait and see what happens next season. Yeah,
because you achieved a lot young, didn't you, at a young age, and maybe it happens to a lot that you just stall a bit.
Yeah, I suppose. I mean, last season was superb for me, to be honest. Playing in the Premiership at 18 years of age is not what many people do, to be honest. But yeah, a lot did happen for me when I was young. But like I said, I'm still young at the moment, so I'm sure I'll get back there one day.
What doesn't break you makes you stronger, doesn't it?
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
And just finally, I mean, again, how conscious are the youngsters in this group that if Wales qualify, then maybe there's places for you. You were on the bench in Israel, other youngsters have come through.
Well, I mean, at the end of the day, like I said, there's a good group of lads here who are looking to push up to the first team. And, for me to do that, and I'm sure the rest of them can do it as well.